With a look at Myro. Hope you don't mind the white screen. Let me know if you like the white better than the black. Some people do. Some people asked me to try this here, so we were trying it, giving it a shot. And I don't mind either one. So whatever you guys choose, that's what we'll go with here. All right, now you can see Myro down here grabbing. Oh boy, it's right at this support level. Okay, you have a touch here. You have a touch here. You know what? Let's make this thing a little bit more visible. That'll work. There we go. Okay. So you have a touch, one touch here, and over here you're having a little bit of a breakthrough, or breakdown, I should say, over here. All right. Now in this upper band, you do have, you got something going on up here. Somewhere, something like that there. You got multiple touches up through there. Maybe right there you got 1, 2, 3. That makes it 100% valid here. Now I don't see how this thing could break, completely to the downside. That would just be ridiculous. Okay. Now if we take a look at the RSIs. We have the daily completely reset and on the bottom. All right, on the stochastic, on a regular RSI, we get the same thing. The weekly, still correcting, still rolling over a little bit. And you can see this trend line actually goes way back here. This is actually the trend line, it looks like, for the bull cycle. So actually it comes down a little bit. So it would be something like that there. So it is holding support on this line. All right, now, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, me personally, I might. This is the first I looked at this chart today. I might end up going over there and taking a long on this thing, right on support. Okay, the 12-hour RSI right down at the bottom is looking a little weak. All right, yeah, it looks a lot better here. This thing is definitely right on this trend line. Okay, so you got your 12 looking a little downward. The 8-hour almost at the bottom here. Boy, this thing is fighting just to hold on here. All right, you got your 4-hour just turning up. Okay, so you can see here, if we really get in here and look, more likely the resistance line down through this area here. If you run it down there, let's take a look here. Let's just try it and see. Probably somewhere around there. You got a line coming down through here that this thing's gonna have to break out of. If we go from there, maybe it goes down on top here. Something like that. Okay, but we're gonna have to break this, obviously. Need some kind of retracement here too. This thing has done nothing but gone down, okay, without a retracement back up, which that's what you would definitely expect here. Okay, any downtrend like this, you're gonna get some bounces, and the only bounces we've had, if you go from the very top here, nothing there. Over here we had a bounce back up to about the 236. Nothing, just nothing. Okay, pull it down here. If this does hold, okay, if it holds here and gets a bounce, you would be looking for target range. First target right up in this area here. Okay, I love trading these types of patterns. Gets to the top, you go short. It gets to the bottom, you usually go long. All right, usually have multiple hits, and then when it finally breaks out, wait for the confirmation of the breakout, and go long. But these work out a lot of the time in here. Rejected off the top. If you took short, boom, there's a nice run. Runs back up here probably to a 618 right in here, and then rolls over. All right, that looked like an ABC in there is what that looked like. Right here, ABC, right down to there. Okay, and then our push up or roll over, and needs to break resistance here. Okay, if this thing could get up past that 19 cents I think that would get a break out of here, and then over 19.1 would get us a higher high. Okay, we've had nothing but lower highs and lower lows coming in here. All right, you have this high here. Oh boy, the pen ain't working too well there. I believe it's a Keller's. Let's go with red and see if that shows up. Yeah, you got this one here, and then you have this low. Then you got this lower high, and then a lower low in here. All right, so what you want to see is a higher high come in here, okay, and a higher low, and start an uptrend in here. You want to see a break of this and get this thing getting out of here. All right, over on Bitcoin, it's doing its own thing here. Okay, is this good enough? This target down here, target was for about 64.6. Came down to 64.9. So is $300 enough? Well, it broke this resistance over here. Let me get up here and show you. I was running out of room there with my mouse. Okay, you can see how it broke this yellow resistance line here. All right, it had resistance here. It had a fake out down through here, but resistance two bars here. Then it finally popped out. Looks like a possible back test now as support, and you could get a run here. All right, you got the 4-hour RSI down there on the bottom. You got the 8-hour right on the bottom, heading up. 12-hour, same thing. All right, heading towards the upside. The daily, look at that, also right on the very bottom. Okay, now you go on weekly. Weekly is still correcting a little bit. 5-day rolling over. 3-day rolling over. Okay, so what I'm watching for here is this level right here. Okay, I'm watching for a break of this level, this red line here. That would, I think that would be confirmation that we hit the bottom there. That's at 68. Called 68.4. 68.4. All right, you can see through here multiple areas. All right, right here was resistance. Over here was support. Support, or resistance. I'm sorry. Support here, and so on. Multiple touch areas. A break of 68.4, and I think this could be over. All right, so keep your eye on Myro. Watch that support area there. That looks fantastic. I gotta get over there and take a look at this here. This could be a decent trade right on support. All right, have a great day, everybody. Talk to you soon.